knows no fear. Viktor's name, it rings so clear. On the ocean waves, under endless skies, he takes you where the wildness lies. Bahamas call with their golden sand, Cuba's rhythms, the promised land. Alaska's rivers untamed and cold, with Viktor life turns brave and bold. Living on the thrill, chasing what's real, Viktor Popov shows you how to feel. Eat&Travel takes you beyond the shore, with him you'll find there's always more. At sunrise, cast your line with care, where the fish leap high in the morning air. Face the grizzlies, stand your ground. In Viktor's world, adventure's found. He'll show you how to hunt and strive, to make the feast that keeps dreams alive. It's not just a trip, it's a story to tell. With Eat&Travel, you're under his spell. Living on the thrill, chasing what's real, Viktor Popov shows you how to feel. Eat&Travel takes you beyond the shore, with him you'll find there's always more. If you crave the hunt, he'll lead the way to South Africa's plains or Alaska's gray. Tracking shadows, heartbeats race, Viktor's journeys are a daring embrace. Living on the thrill, chasing what's real, Viktor Popov shows you how to feel. Eat&Travel takes you beyond the shore, with him you'll find there's always more. Raise a toast to the man who dares, for Viktor's spirit nothing compares. From the depths of the sea to the highest peaks, he's the guide for the bold, the life that speaks. The life that speaks. To the man who dares, for Viktor's spirit nothing compares. From the depths of the sea to the highest peaks, he's the guide for the bold, the life that